Hey, I'm Ben. I'm about to unbox my t-shirts I got from WWE.com. Can't wait to open it. The first shirt I'm taking out is the RKO Out of Nowhere. You know, those variants of the RKO Out of Nowhere of Randy Orton's. See? RKO Out of Nowhere. Extra large in my size, because I'm a big boy. And my other shirt is NXT Arrival. It has Sami Zayn, is it? I don't know what's going on, so you see it. See Sami Zayn, Kevin Owens, Andrew Neville, Finn Balor, Tommy, and Tyler Breeze. And here's the back of this. I consider this was one of the best matches on there, but hey, it was up to you. Whatever. You know, it was a good match. I loved it. Good pay-per-view. I love NXT. You know. Alright. And my other shirt, my other shirt's about to come in, I think, next week sometime. I hope so. It's getting sent out March 9th. That'd be next Monday. It's gonna ship out on next Monday. It's Bailey. I'm a hugger. When I get that shirt, I will unbox that too.